Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by reproducing the error and noting any error messages or codes. Try opening Device Manager with Win plus X or DevMoot. MSC and run. If it fails, check whether the plug and play service is running and set to automatic. Also check that your user account has administrator rights. Look for recent software installs or driver updates within the last 7 days that could interfere. Reboot the PC in safe mode to test whether a third-party app blocks Device Manager operation. Open an elevated command prompt as administrator and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. If SFC reports issues it cannot fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health next. After repairs, reboot the computer and try DevMoot. MSC again. If Device Manager still will not open, launch it directly from an elevated command prompt. Finally, create a new administrator user to test whether the problem is profile-specific and not global to the system. If basic fixes fail, inspect registry entries under HKey local machine /system, /current control set /services for disabled services. Carefully re-enable plug and play and related service entries if they are set to disabled. Uninstall recent driver packages or roll back drivers updated within 7 days that may cause conflicts. Create a system restore point and back up the registry before making changes. As prevention, keep Windows updated and schedule weekly backups to protect against future Device Manager failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.